Okay, I got my stowable ship's ladder finished. Goes up to my storage area in the top of the pole barn. When I want it, I just let it down. When I'm done with it, I got this old boat crank here. I just crank it up. This rope right here attaches to it. Bring that over here. Probably can't do this with one hand, but I'll try. Got it. Got that hooked up right there. This rope right here is my safety latch I have. So when I put it away, I just give that a little tug and it holds the ladder in case the rope breaks. I'll show you when I get it up there. Come over here and flip my switch. Start cranking her up. Now you knew I wasn't really going to crank it all the way up by hand, so I got the trusty Ryobi here. We'll see if we can do this one-handed. There she is. That's my safety latch in case something happens to my rope. Awesome. I just pull that out like that. Release the crank. I'll let her go. Further, have to crank it down the rest of the way. And hitch my rope. Bring it over here and hang it on the side of the thing. Thanks for watching.